wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best computer heatsinks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Dedicated engineers will likely appreciate this easycargo mosfet kit, which consists of 30 pieces that are 8.8mm square and 5mm tall. They're useful in a range of applications, though extreme care is required when working with such tiny components. They're built of anodized aluminum and great for Internet of Things devices. Of course, these aren't meant for everyday PC use. At number 9, measuring roughly 12 by 12 by 6mm, the Lost Ocean Copper are perfect for providing peace of mind when installing a new graphics card or assembling a microcomputer controller, as they easily accommodate VGA RAM while remaining slim enough to not get in the way. These come pre-treated with thermal tape at an incredibly low price, but they have somewhat limited uses. Coming in at number 8 on our list. DIY gamers who enjoy the sound of silence should consider the Arctic Accelero S3, a fanless way to keep your video card from burning up during heated sessions. It's an upgrade over many stock GPU coolers and doesn't require any thermal glue to install. It's compatible with AMD and NVIDIA and offers a sturdy backplate installation. However, it's not meant for the latest cards. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for computer heatsinks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're committed to achieving as silent a build as possible, the Arctic Alpine 12 will be right up your alley. It isn't designed to keep the highest powered desktop CPUs under control, but it can keep sound and energy usage down in certain machines. It comes with an MX2 thermal compound pre-applied and is good for Intel sockets 1150 through 1156. But note that it's appropriate for sub-47 watt TDP processors only. Moving up our list to number 6. If you've got a whole bunch of varied tiny electronics and don't want them to overheat, look no further than the easycargo 82-piece. It's a comprehensive collection with a wide range of form factors in anodized black as well as silver-toned aluminum. It includes 10 different sizes and is among the most versatile choices. However, it doesn't contain any copper units. Halfway up our list at number 5. From one of the most popular manufacturers of open-loop liquid cooling systems, the EK Waterblocks nvme makes for an invaluable insurance policy against fried flash storage, especially in extremely compact custom-built PCs. It's designed for 22 by 80mm SSDs and works with single-sided M2 drives. It's a highly cost-effective choice. At number 4, measuring 14mm in each direction, the Enzotech Passive is marketed for graphics cards and does a good job of dissipating excess energy from many other small chips too. Conveniently, it comes with pre-applied thermal adhesive for an especially easy installation. These are sold in a pack of 8 and great for NVMe solid-state storage. They're made of solid copper. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed specifically for Internet of Things enthusiasts, the lanpu kit comes ready to peel and stick thanks to 3M tape, with 30 anodized aluminum pieces in 2 sizes and 10 flat copper units. It's one of the most versatile sets offered for today's advanced tinkerers. It's perfect for the Raspberry Pi and made from high-quality materials. It's remarkably well priced too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for computer heatsinks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, extremely brave users may want to check out the nofan icepipe, which uses very well-spaced pins to mitigate the immense heat generated by a CPU. So long as you're running at a relatively low TDP, this one's a great step towards silent PC operation. It comes with high-end thermal grease and is crafted almost entirely of copper. It works well with Intel chips. And taking the top spot on our list, numerous advanced system builders approve of the gdstime aluminum, a 38 by 40mm unit that's intended for installation atop a PC's North Bridge controller, but can serve a wide range of additional purposes as well on motherboards, GPUs, and many other chips. It's ideal for single-board computers and features reliable spring-loaded tensioners. It's as affordable as it is effective. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for computer heatsinks, or simply click beneath this video.